We're going to continue the conversation right now and find out what someone with money on the line makes of Google's latest challenge to Facebook. We're going to bring in right now Larry Haverty. He is joining on the phone. Actually, I can see you right there, Larry. That's great, from Massachusetts. You're pretty optimistic, Larry. First of all, I just want to mention Google is, of course, among your top 10 holdings. Is this a successful approach? John just giving us the details here, right? Google not coming directly at Facebook, but seeming to develop a niche within its service. Is that smart strategy?
Well, I think clearly there's a flaw in Facebook, and Google has found the opening in the defense line, if you will. Whether they succeed and what Facebook's response is unknowable. But I think, Deirdre, from an investor standpoint, the critical thing is that I don't believe the market was pricing in any innovation in Google. It's been a dreadful market performer, as you noted, in the first quarter. And the reason was the tremendous level of spending and very, very poor conversion of incremental revenue to operating profit in the first quarter. And I don't think the market was giving Google credit for ever being able to innovate again in any market whatsoever. And now you see this. Google is very secretive on what it's going to do in the future. You find out what it's going to do when it does it. And this could be a huge market for them if they get it right. And it's kind of a free call option you get when you're buying the stock. If this works, and if the government suit turns out to be somewhat specious, we could see 20–25% in the stock. It wouldn't be overvalued then.
Larry, at GAMCO, you have $35 billion in assets under management. Google, a top 10 holding. So as an investor, does this make you more optimistic about Larry Page as CEO? Absolutely.
You know, I think it shows why they're adding people. You know, the real question in this economy, Deirdre, is jobs. And here's the market viciously punishing a company that added all these qualified people. Heavens above, they gave their current employees a significant raise. They obviously think they've got opportunities in the future. The market's not pricing in those opportunities. I think this is going to be a wake-up call for Mother Market. I think the stock is likely to be quite vigorous between now and when investors actually get a chance to look at the next earnings report. Because we've seen some of the data on Android, and Android is taking over the smartphone market, and that's inevitably going to mean more searches for Google. So there's a lot of good things going on that the market hasn't considered.
Larry, quick question here. The stock has been beaten down. You said it. Would you buy more?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So
just no question.
And part of it is because of this decision for Google to take on Facebook.
Well, part of it is that, you know, I think I'm going to get paid immediately on the call option. Previously, heaven only knows when they were going to bring something that's innovative and big into the market. And now I think they've done it, and I think the market's going to reward them.
Larry, we'll
by the way,
there.
Deirdre.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Deirdre.
That's all right. All right, Larry, thank you very much. Larry Haverty joining us there. He is a portfolio manager at GAMCO. $35 billion under management. Google is among the top 10 holdings. And you heard Larry say he is planning or would buy more Google based on this news.